just like the one you see on my screen right now. This is my dashboard, and you can start creating your first design. Okay, you have a create a design here option. As you can see before this below this header, okay, with the create a design options, there are all my graphics that I have created till now. Okay, a lot of them, as you can see, different types, some for Facebook ads, other for banner ads, other for email, other as email marketing headers, okay, as email headers. So you have a lot of options, so everything will be saved for you exactly as you can see here. You can then enter, you can copy and re-edit, for example, that image. You can edit directly that image, you can delete it, you can do whatever you want. Okay, you also have some informations here. Okay, you can share designs with other people that have Canva accounts. You can learn to design. Okay, you can get design inspiration. So you have a lot of options. Now let's get back to the app itself. You have the create a design option. Maybe, for example, you want to do a Facebook cover, a Facebook post, an Instagram post, whatever you want, presentation. You have different options. If you want to use this platform to create an ad, it's actually very simple. A Facebook ad, you just go to the more button, you just press the button, and all the options will appear for you. Okay, and as you can see here, you have social media posts, documents, blogging, and ebooks. Okay, you can create an ebook cover, for example, if you want to. Marketing materials like flyers, posters, okay, menus, business cards, and so on. Social media and email headers. Maybe you want for an event to create a header or something like that. YouTube channel art. So you have different options. Every single options, or any option that you will select, you will see you have different types of templates that you can after that edit. Okay, after you enter and select that template. For example, we will go to ads. Okay, we have Facebook ads, wide skyscraper, medium rectangle, leaderboard, large rectangle. If we click on the Facebook ad, you will see that the app will load you the template. Okay, and this is practically the editor in Canva. And now in the left part of the screen, in the layout section, this is the first thing that will appear for you. You can select a template that you want to use for your ad. Okay, you will see that you will have like a small icon here which states free. That means that you can use for free this template. Other type of templates, for example, you have to pay for them, and you have to click on them to see exactly how much you have to pay for them. So you can select your free ones. For example, we can select the wine list. I just want to show you guys an example, and you can now edit the template if you want to. For example, you can edit the text. You can select what type of font you want, okay, what size to be, what color. You also have other options like uppercase, how to align your text, okay, if it should have a certain transparency. Then you have the other text, which you can edit this one too. And then you can edit the background if you want. You can add filters to your background. For example, we can add like a retro filter. Okay, this is how it will look like. You have advanced options, okay, for different indicators that you can set them at different values. Okay, for example, vignette. Okay, the blurry, okay, blurred one to create a more blurred image. And you have different types of options. Okay, if you will go, you can flip it, you can crop the image, you can even change the image with the color if you want to. Okay, so you have that option too. So you have a lot of options that you can use to create a beautiful background. Also, you can go to the background option and select a different type of background if you want to. Okay, you will see here that you have different types of backgrounds. Also, a lot of them are free, like patterns. Okay, but you also have paid backgrounds, and most of the time any element that you will select, it's somewhere around $1. Okay, besides the free stuff, okay, the free graphics. So most of the elements that you will select will be somewhere at $1. The rest of them probably will be for free. Then you can upload your own stuff. For example, as you can see here, I have a lot of things that I've uploaded myself. They will all appear to you in time. They will be saved here, okay, like in a media library. and you can select them and insert them again. For example, if I will click on this icon, this one I found with icon finder, okay, and you can make it to be like okay, the background if you want to, but you also have, if you think that you did something wrong and you want to go back, you have the undo option, okay. So it's actually very, very useful and has all the options that that maybe standalone software editor software would have. So it's actually very, very complex. Then you can go to the search function, for example, and here you have different graphic elements that you can use, okay, to create your images. For example, you have frames. Maybe you want to use frames. We have talked that headshots, for example, that images in Facebook that use headshots are very, very popular and convert very, very well. And for example, you can select a frame here like this one, okay, and you can upload an image in it with somebody, for example, okay. So you have the frame here, okay. You have the headshot, okay, in the frame. So you have different options. Then if you go, okay, let's exit the frame section. If you go to grids, okay, a grid, it's like a collage of photos, okay. You can add photos from different you can add different photos in the same image, okay. Maybe you want to do a grid, a collage, so you have here different templates that you can use. Then if you go to, for example, now they had something special for the Halloween, okay, with graphics for the Halloween. Then you have different illustrations that you can use, okay, different icons, or not just icons, vectors that you can use, okay. So all the time they upload, they update this stuff and they add more stuff that you can use for your images. For example, you can add this globe, okay. It's very nice. Maybe you want to do something like you have like a travel agency and you want to use this in an image for, I don't know, an offer or something like that. So you have different types. You can even search here, okay. You have different cool graphics that you can use for your images. So Canva, it's absolutely stunning in my opinion. Now let's see other options too. You have different shapes, for example, okay, that you can insert. As you can see here, you have lines, okay, different types of lines, okay, dotted, I don't know, dotted, okay, like a graphic, lines, okay, arrows and stuff like that. You have a lot of options. Then you have icons, because we have talked about icons too, that you can insert, okay. Icons are very, very used in ads and in images, and they convert very well, so I recommend them to you, okay. And then you have photos too. You have free photos that you can use. You can select paid photos, okay. You also have charts, for example, different types of charts that you can use. Maybe you want to do a presentation or something like that, or maybe you want to point out something. You just change its name if you want to, okay. And after that, you just press the button download to download the image to your computer, or you can share the image if you want directly to your Facebook. So you can do that too if you want to. So Canva, it's absolutely stunning, guys. I highly recommend it to you. As you have seen, it's very user friendly. It's easy to access, okay. You can have access to it anywhere, and it absolutely blows your mind with what type of images you can create. I mean, your images will be like made by a professional graphician or something like that, okay. So you can do stunning ads with Canva. I highly recommend it to you. With that being said, I thank you for your attention, and I will see you guys in the next lecture. Bye bye for now. Sorin here.